Hi, GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. So we are subscribe to a channel ya na say over subscribe. What you buy na say over click a subscribe button. Now be notification. We are say new video bia be upload also once every Afriyie na like video no give us a thumbs up na free share ma Akufo enye bi na wo hwe sounds had the latest and hot news kwana with the Bremo Archbishop Duncan Williams or the Samatuga Empire or the Gusono and Empire Boketua Chese and what she year papa Nina but remember so a year December 2024 na nona what this Samatuga watch say why this will be Jessica no be musika now by basabasa and I say we manipulate election the more we at TC Ghana Memhan any no me and also no good then yet tongues are yet than Williams a good one and yet tongues in Ketua and your wow bebo whom so be said no with the nature say no me yet at the bow so and tentemara Yakutia Papa and Bishop Duncan Williams Yakutia a year empire boating teacher would be Yakutia in Bible.
And let me say this, anybody that will take money, receive money to manipulate the outcome of the election, anybody that will do anything to cause the blood of anybody to be shed, and let me say this, anybody that will take money, receive money to manipulate the outcome of the election, anybody that will do anything to cause the blood of anybody to be shed, to kidnap anybody, to cause any kind of what I call organized armed robbery, to create violence, to cause anybody's blood to be shed. A curse will come upon you and all your descendants. Madu kawasan kelei tu kawahan elumba la hasalaya awandu kasalavita. Let their projections backfire. Let their imagination backfire. Let their expectation backfire. Let their devices backfire. Let their divination come to a halt. And yea, we intercept their enchantments and their incantations. Let it come to a halt. Bonaya kusan gelu tawahan ikafan kawan ishundu kalihamazan.
Ooh, that was a program organized by Joe Metal themed Praise Reloaded in the Accra Sports Stadium. At that program was Archbishop Duncan Williams, and given the microphone to close the program, this all transpired. It tells you that the man of God is either seeing something, hearing something, perceiving something that we do not see with our carnal eyes or minds. And so people, when you go on your knees, pray for Ghana. Now, in his church, similar thing happened prior to this Praise Reloaded in the Accra Sports Stadium. In the church of Archbishop Duncan Williams, this happened. Watch him.
Anyone that would use any means, by any means, any sacrifice, any rituals, any consultation, and refuse to honor the will of the people of Ghana, let God and the elements reject them. Let God and the element disadvantage them. Let their mystics and devices backfire. Put your hands together and say backfire, 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 backfire. In the name of Jesus, backfire. Doli Kali Salas. Sela Katu Kasida Luz. Wehila Kumba Vam Valu Mahadazid. Ekito.
This is what I saw before. I saw people tagging ex-president Mahama that he's a murderer. Everybody listen to me. I saw people tagging him that he's a murderer. And because anytime he wants to rise into position, he wants to kill somebody. All over the news, everybody is talking about what I am saying now, prophetically. But also be a kasafa and semamika. Everybody is saying that. What is going on? What is happening? So they are making references that during his time with Atta Mills, he killed him. They are making references that when he wanted to come for another position, he killed Mr. Atta. And they are making references that now, because he has chosen the woman as the vice president, he has killed the woman as well. I saw the vice president dead, the chosen vice president of NDC. It's going to be a big blow for the president Mahama. This is what I'm seeing now. Me preaching the said and convoy target say on the kum President Mills. Number 2, open the BM and what kum Mr. Atta. Number 3, open rituals aye and nuntina what kum mame na well you know as vice president so that he can rise up to become a president. But onim hoshi, there is nothing that this man knows about the death of this woman. I'm telling you.
Pitinra, your palm so no presidential candidate no na bedi echire or bobo ne ho obetie sidwam na nsan. Ami desa. Eduma ben ne wo ho. Masa, eduma wo ho no. Eni se enne. Ghana fo bebre omo di ma ohene a enje. Eduane bo aye din. Kabo aye din ebi lamse petrol bo no so akoye din tia. Enne emobuni bebre o ho a omu nya duma nye. Enne ye kasei masa eno a mi na me tro lecture bi. Inti ye research kakra. Ye fa 25 items. 25 items no dokuno ka ho, key soap ka ho, pano ka ho ni ade. Ebro, edua ni ade. Edendra ASR research no. And ASR research no free 2017 ebepimunde. Sa nyoma ya mibubodi ebi ni ho a the price increase is below 100%. If you have price increase 300 and something percent, and so on. And no anko and yes san share no. Yes san ehwehwe mu no. Nti ya dey hadwen ye. Opani sisi ya kasai. Ye sidi no. Chese Kwaku-Addo no. Se ube kanyana na adodan kwa Akufo-Addo His Excellency Kano 2015 na so be jeche musa. Ye sidi no aya hata. Samre no 2016 na CD no na endu 4 CDs. And then we share official figures are CD no na 14 CDs. Ayo how kesi ema muni nyinara. Especially ebadifo ni ade no. Sa CD na sesia Kwaku-Addo no ayo how kesi ma ebadifo ni ade nti eno so yo how ba ko a edai so. I am Minister of Finance. One kasa de abetu jase ene. Ghana isika yeji na putoka se refer total national revenue. Ye here emu 128%. Just eboro embohun ubohun currency. 128%. Na yede nyoma miensape debt servicing, debt repayment, and public sector emoluments. O mind be a what do some personal, just o minor atiti upon some. Putokasem, as a bankrupt, o man a bankrupt. And we a duma, a dahoma in air train, a dear near bayers and a bayer, sa situation, no, a bed danny, a maying, only am channel. And now I can say close cycle for any break, almost strike. And now me say public service and civil service no. Man said man I basa close cycle for strike. I didn't see and one more strike. Akoto Yasam. Ye yinani and the Ghana ebi wo ho a pani mu pa ebi wo yere ne mma. Mba be miensa. Bosumi so na Akoto ya 500 cedis. Ebi kra ji nia enso sa. Nde Ghana yetimu na se bosumi so na se Akoto ya 500 cedis na Akoto ya ndu 500 cedis a. Ubeye den. Uji Akoto ya na ukoto ya wodan kana. Enso ala wokoto sachet water ama umba ebe den wo modidi we na ye hawa e dae so e ka ye di bubro ni tua be asam ka ye di bubro ni tua be asam enti we ni adwuma e dawa ese mpanimfo ayeyi won so mu ye NDC fo se wo mu ye afafrantofo se wo mu ye MPP fo we ni butaya ese si wo mu ni so se wo mu ba abeji tumi e dia krakra nyoma se ne be ya sa how ye da Ghana man so yi Afriyie so enya se me ye dihye anase me nya dihye nya no asam ne ye ka enya se me ya doye ho asam ne ye ka because obi ni obetimi ya doye ema na doye nti Ghana fo ho atowo enti asem a ye kan se o how na da o man no so no why no mo ba won betimi ya adwumaden adwene pa na sa o how no Afriyie so that is the issue enti se inu anapo so betimi ba ye se adwumai ema hoto ba oh adan se papa ne yepe ne bone ne yepe enu aba Bawumia so betumi ba ye se adwumai ema how na da Ghana man so no Afriyie so a minni hwan na makoka se mo ma na ase me mpedo papa ne na yepe sanity enti that is the core of the issue problems that so or how that so a burden na sa or how no Afriyie so anyenye bia ayi omampanin dada John Dramani Mahama na nisu ade hunu ene be masa how no Afriyie so anasa Owura Lanchematin former minister of trade na nisu ade hunu na be masa how no Afriyie so ana papa ba ku your friend say nana o chale boa be minia
sheda bediako
ana sheda nana kwa bediako ono na this you di hunu and be man sao how na Afriyie so that is the issue na kan ina de mogo na pachopi anopai yenu ya miracle sikasai was it nagrat nat admayefo ku a ewo addition sector no wo mu nyinara aka se na pono a o makofa no adepa na ninjina so ni se Professor B. O. University of Cape Coast International Department attribute on his Facebook page kadam pachopi misreka sa professor no does not speak for Nagrat, does not speak for Ghana National Association of Teachers, does not speak for concerned teachers and so on. Or no kwanasam and waka. Wankasa masa idmaifu kuni inara. It is not true, can never be true. And we clear. Epachopi, anopai, me bahi. Se ubema me kwanya, me bo radio station bidin. And me Professor Bia, okay, can some only who say na pona ye no ene de papa na nia ji na nasam ba ko kan se na pona ye no eya de pa adenti eya de pa no se asante dishia hey masa okay me machine asante dishia be qualification for position of vice president. Me ferry every time because Ghana on mine a Republican state and yet dishisam any depending on Ghana no who nyakra in fact so kasasa na your constitutional democracy no na wo ye atiso eh oya santi this year enu ye dikasam bawaka masa enu achi no osan ka bibia na chi madwen kakra wo se eye nua na ponu ninsago na putoka sebu he rewards loyalty enti se wo ta nachi na nani jo ho a otumi chawade ma usika ema wujina bi o esesa na nkofo bi wo ha ne yebobo omudin a se wo mbetimi a running meter wo mo nsa dindin hey na we eso your qualification masa we eso your qualification o de okika bebre ba infantry hansa many miracles anopai osi o yedi napo edin ba bontin no obi ankasa ntia no anopai de bonkrata bebre ne guye ni mu na many miracles onya daje kinkan bia kebia kebeboa anopai Daily Post front page, the 10 cardinal sins of Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh alias Napo Minkai Impese Mekai Minkai, but at least it's an indication say a binum a cassetia Masanya no pe Abranti bia a friend a called Jan now or a member of the executive of Teacher Trainees Association of Ghana, TTAG.
Na oye, it means oye past.
Past, oye. Onuso atrubiaba. Na okanya and someone watch na aye ayem shishie. Bebre ewo onuso mean kind details no in here. Mashada ka say Napo no oye minia. Nti ensembi wo ha mean shadanka, you know, but it is obvious. Xenophobia or ha or more ache or modern. And then answer Kumasia Bonti. NPP members be a demonstration, and so meaning say Munima. About social media, Omukra placards near this woman panel. I don't say, Untimino. So, woman panel, a bisu panel. Anna, more mumbra pontre say National Council, and a peninsula and also Bogu. National Council are pretty so there, and a demonstration there, moye. But in Kusibabia, on them channel, and no yadia a daho.
Yo, Tifo, when the air and Bible teacher yet Duncan William, Archbishop or the two guy and the thanks here will fear the papa, but what people whom show away these idea and cases of the mouse and yeah, as a ketwa. The council disney so and I will hear so when you subscribe, yeah. Mr. Say over subscribe or like it. Now I share video no ama offer for so in your now wahe. Also between actually what you find and some way you home I will comment box me. Mobete make a video in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.